So we're here at Clark Bay to learn our Uniform Mitigation Assessment Method. It is our way of scoring the quality of wetlands so that we can adequately assess them for impacts. And then we also use it on the other side to quantify how much mitigation we'll be gaining from lands that are either donated to the district or brought under preservation.
This training in compliance, it helps me when determining the impacts on sites that maybe already have been impacted. So being able to understand what that community was and the value that it provided to the natural system will allow me to make decisions into bringing permittees back into compliance.
The main things we're looking at is wetland functionality and how we go about assessing a value for that wetland functionality.
There's also ways to assess potential enhancement activities or restoration. And so it's a way to, as the name says, it's uniform, so the whole state uses it. And it's a way for us to be very consistent in our qualitative and quantitative analyses of these wetlands. And since consistency is so important, we're out here to kind of calibrate to make sure that we're all applying the UMAM rule the correct way and the same way so that our consultants and our applicants and the public are getting consistent results.